just come out to Brico. I've got a few stuff to get for work. I'm putting like a big irrigation system in, so a lot of fittings and stuff like that. So that's why I'm here. Sexiest Brico trip ever. So my neighbour, who you saw cutting the grass, the other vlog, saw the drone footage and thought it was proper cool. So they're like, oh, can you do like footage of the whole process and get some pictures? So that's what I'm doing now. The field they're doing is literally right there. Well, that's all the whizzy up into lines done. So they said probably in a couple of hours they'll come, bail it all up, and that's that job done. I find it fascinating really. So I think I'll get all the video clips together for them, edit a few pictures, and then they'll be happy with that, hopefully. On the subject of grass, I feel like ours is in need of a cut. Anyone know a gardener? Yeah, the grounds have just really got away from us. Just not had time. So busy with work and then doing the house, just takes up a massive amount of time just trying to get around the grounds. But you know, I've got all the machinery to do it, so it can never get like too far that I can't get it back, you know. Just one more job on the list, innit? So, just on our little agricultural photo shoot. Somewhere different, isn't it? Very like cool summer vibes in this vlog. Well, I did not expect to be doing all that today. So what turned into getting a few B-roll shots ended up this whole video photo shoot festival of cutting grass thing. My neighbours were proper into it. They love what they do anyway. But, you know, when we started filming, they were like, yeah, get the GoPro, get the drone, yeah, get the shot of this. And they were really up for it. So, something a bit different. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just like chilled summer vibes, which I thought was pretty cool. And it kind of sums up the atmosphere around here as well at the moment. So, yeah, that was nice. They've only just left. We had a beer and, you know, a chat, and I gave them the footage and we looked through it and stuff. So that was really cool. While I was doing it as well, I decided to do a little bit of photography. So you can check all them pictures out. Well, I'll show you them now actually. Here's the pictures. Not too bad, eh? Nothing too special, but just, you know, started to have a play. So if I can work out how to do it by tomorrow, there'll be a link down below in the description, and you can go and you can download all them for free, and you can use them for whatever you want. You know, putting on your wall and throwing darts out or whatever you want. So if I can work out how to do that, it'll be down there. If it's not down there, I didn't work out how to do it. I've really got to edit this vlog because it is mega late now. I don't want to get a day behind because I don't want to fail this 30-day challenge. I'm over halfway now. Keep watching. I'm loving the support. See you tomorrow.